Namaskar. Most people think that to lose fat, you need to run for kilometers, spend hours in gym and do long exhausting workout. I'm not saying that you stop running. Running has many benefits. But what if I told you just 30 seconds of some yogic practice can trigger your body's natural fat burning system and give you many other health benefits. This is an ancient secret from yoga called Agnisaar Kriya, the fire activating practice. Let me explain how. First, understand that fat loss is not just about burning calories, it is about activating more metabolism, balancing your hormones and improving your digestion, because it's your digestive system where fat burning process happens. In Ayurveda and yoga, there is a concept called Agni, the digestive fire. When your Agni is strong, your food will get digested very well. Nutrients are absorbed, waste is eliminated, and your metabolism stays active. When Agni is weak, digestion slows down, toxins accumulate, metabolism crashes, and fat piles up. Most people today have weak Agni because of stress, overeating, late night meals, processed food, and sedentary habits. That's why even after a long run or heavy workout, many struggle to lose belly fat. But this is where Agnisaar comes in. Understand what is Agnisaar. Agnisaar is a yogic practice when you rapidly move your abdominal muscles, creating an internal massage for your digestive organs. Agnisaar stimulates your intestine, liver, pancreas, and gut-brain axis, the exact system that control your metabolism and fat storage. How does this burn fat better than a long run? Because while long run burns calories temporarily, Agnisaar awakens your inner fire. It improves your insulin sensitivity, helping your body to handle sugar better. It activates the parasympathetic system, lowering stress hormones like cortisol that often block fat loss. It boosts your resting metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more fat even if you are not exercising it. And most importantly, it targets deep abdominal fat, which is often the hardest to lose. Even research has shown Agnisaar can improve gastric mobility in obese people, and it also helps improve severe symptoms of gastroesophagus reflux disease or GERD. Now let me teach you how to do Agnisaar. Stand or sit erect with hands by the side. Contract the muscles of the abdomen and pull them in. Immediately release the muscle, allowing the abdomen to return to its natural position. Continue to rapidly and forcefully draw your abdomen in and out. Begin with 10 to 20 such movements and increase it to 50 cycles with regular practice. Make sure not to strain. People suffering from hypertension, cardiac problems, ulcer, hernia, pregnancy, and any abdominal surgery should not do these things. But remember, always do this with empty stomach, ideally in the morning. Now let's see the benefits of Agnisaar practice. The first thing is your digestion becomes lighter, stronger, and cleaner. Second, bloating, gas, and acidity reduces. Third, your energy level stays stable. No more sudden dips or crashes. Then you may begin to see the stubborn belly fat slowly shrinking. Next, your waistline feels tighter and clothes fit better. Another effect is that your mind feels calmer, because gut health and mental clarity are deeply connected, and mostly and importantly, your metabolic fire stays active throughout the day, burning more fat naturally. The beauty of Agnisaar is that it doesn't require any fancy equipments, gym, or long hours. It activates your body's natural intelligence, the way ancient yogis designed it. In 30 seconds, you are not just losing fat, you are reigniting your digestion, balancing your hormone, detoxifying your organs, and strengthening your metabolic fire. Long runs are good for you, but there may be some days when you may not like to go for a long run, or your body might not have some energy for it. On those days or on other days as well, Agnisaar can really help you. Start with 30 seconds a day. Let your inner fire waken, and very soon you will experience how your body transforms from inside out. Because when your Agni burns, fat naturally melts. Take care. Namaskar.